Yo, back at you again. It's J Baby with Miss Nola. Yes, this is the Diaries of Miss Nola. Hope y'all had a very, very merry one. And coming up, I hope y'all have a very happy one. So, enjoying y'all holidays, I hope. And I'm coming at you to show Miss Nola, still enjoying her on her usual routine. Today, she's on a raw chicken thigh. A leg, she devours it like nothing now, but the thigh, she still gotta work with it. So I'm just show y'all her a little bit how she loves her chicken thighs, raw footage. Oh yeah, and my baby 12 weeks today. Right. Yeah, ain't no getting on up there, huh, baby? 12 weeks today. Beautiful color. I say this about her all the time. Oh yeah, and she's coming on very nicely. Show them how you do it, girl.